Hi everybody, this is AutoTecPro. Today we are installing 2015 Honda Civic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the system and the feature that come with the system as well. Let's talk about the hardware specification of the system. The system comes with the newest version of the chipset, and also it comes with 4GB RAM, and also it comes with the built-in wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The USB can be expanded you can extend the memory up to 128GB, and this system comes with the offline GPS, Bluetooth, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and also it comes with the Wi-Fi as well. Okay, so basically once you connect to the Wi-Fi, you can also access to the internet and watch the YouTube or Netflix. Okay, so let's start from the navigation first. This is the navigation here, and in order to use the navigation, you just need to click on the bottom right corner here and then new road, and then you can enter the address right here. All right, so it's very straightforward. All right, so just click on the home, and then you will go back to the home menu right here. And then this is also fully compatible with all the steering control. You can also use the steering control to control the system. Okay, you can see that, and it's fully compatible with the tiny screen here. You can see that. Okay, this screen, for example, I'm gonna listen to the radio. Okay, you can see that. You will also show it on the upper tiny screen. Okay, so it's fully compatible with the original vehicle. For example, if I change this one, you can see that the tiny screen, you change the radio station as well. Okay, so it's very nice. Okay, this system also come this camera. This screen is also high definition camera as well. Okay, so it's very important. And you can once you connect to the Wi-Fi, how to connect to the Wi-Fi, just need to pull down the menu from the top, okay, and then hold the Wi-Fi icon here, and then you can turn the Wi-Fi. Right now, we just connect to our company Wi-Fi, so you can also turn on your Wi-Fi hotspot on the cell phone, and then you can connect to the cell phone. Once you connect to the Wi-Fi, you can basically use all the features here. For example, you can browse the internet here. It's very nice, okay, and you can also use the Google Map. All right, this is the Google Map here. Okay, and other than that, you can also watch the Netflix. You can also watch the YouTube. Okay, this is the YouTube right here. It's very fast. You can see that the system is very smooth, right? No lagging at all. Okay, so you can also download the movie to the USB, and then you can also play the video directly from the USB. Okay, for example, you can also go VLC right here, and then you can click on the video here, and then you can play the movie.
Who are you?
Bad guy.
The mission has been compromised.
Oh, as you can see, it's very nice. Okay, the screen resolution actually is very high. Okay, and this is the interface is also very nice. You can also install the backup camera to the system as well. For example, like this situation, you can also connect the camera. The camera is also HD version. Okay, you can see that the shape is directly fit to the dash. Okay, so there's no cutting wire, no modification. You can see it's very nice. It fit very nice. Okay, and this one also supports the Apple CarPlay. How to use the Apple CarPlay? I'm gonna show you. Just go to the setting, okay, bring out your cell phone, okay, go to the setting Bluetooth, and then connect the Bluetooth device of the unit. All right, so this one is Honda, and then click on 040, and then click OK. Once you connect to the Bluetooth, okay, then there's supposed to have an icon over there, okay, to show up on the menu, and then you need to grant the authorization on the cell phone. This system also supports, you can see that there's a message right here. Just click on Use CarPlay. This system also supports the newest version of the iOS 15. Oh, perfect. This is the Apple CarPlay, as you can see. It's very nice, all right? So you will be able to check all the message right here, include the WhatsApp message and all the application right here, okay? So you can also listen to the music for sure. Okay, let's try something.
Just a passing through. My treasures are laid up somewhere beyond.
Okay, as you can see, it's very nice. Okay, this system also comes with the Siri. You can use the voice control. How to use the voice control? Basically, you can just you can see that the Honda icon is over there. Okay, just hold the bottom left corner. Bring me to the gas station.
Okay, Here's what I found.
It's very convenient. It's very handy. Okay, and what's the temperature today?
The high for today will be 5 degrees, and the low will be 3.
Okay, as you can see, this is Apple CarPlay. Of course, you can also change the color of the background. Okay, depends on whichever is more convenient to you. In order to go back to the main menu, you just need to click on the car, and then you will bring you to the main menu right here. Okay, it's very nice. You can also install any of the applications from the Google App Store. You can download the SiriusXM, you can download the Prime Video, Netflix, anything. All right, so it's very nice, very fancy. Okay, and this system can also be purchased from our website www.AutoTecPro.com. If you guys have any question about the system, please contact us AutoTecPro. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.